There we go. One magnet installed. Yeah, let's do that 19 more times. Alright, we're going to cast some handbacks for our gauntlets. Rawr. Try not to waste the resin as much as possible. Let me know when you guys wake up. We'll do something different. I've got a full audience here. I've got Dave on FaceTime. I've got my wife over here working on her computer. Can't see them, but they're here. And I've got cats hanging out. It's just a party. Here. 1, 2, 3. We're just going to mix up some resin here. Get ready to inject it into the molds. Boom. Okay. The box here with the molds. That's a good left one. And we got a right one here, the back form. And there's the right one. This is the way it looks coming out of the mold. Got a little bit of flashing here. So we'll trim that off. This is pretty easy. I just take my pliers, snap it off. There we go. That takes care of that. And now, like I said, we just need to do some cleanup. I've got a belt sander. It's a little messy for down here. That's out in the garage, so we'll go ahead and relocate out there. And then on we go. Got some sanding to do here. So let's get going. It's kind of chilly out here. Get this done. Get back inside. Alright, there's the rough sand for the palm pieces. Now we just got to do some cleanup. My trusty Dremel here, cleaning up the rest of the gauntlets. Alright. A little dusty. Time for a little rinse of the pieces. Marking the spots, eh? Alright, holes are marked. Now we drill. Yay. Alright, let's see if the magnet fits. There we go. One magnet installed. Yeah, let's do that 19 more times. So, in order for this to work properly, there has to be a hinge on this side. Like that. So, we're going to sand down the inside so the hot glue sticks to the resin in place to make our elastic hinge. Alright, magnets are in place. Gauntlets are officially attached. Yay. All right. So, gauntlets are officially attached. Got the blue tape on there just holding the magnets in place while the glue dries. Hey everybody. All right. Okay. So, next step. We have to make some plastic to go over the repulsors in the palms. I use this. This is called Instamorph. It's a plastic that you melt in hot water. These pieces here. This is a piece that's obviously cooled down. I don't mean dry, when it cools down. So you heat the plastic, it becomes clear, you can mold it into whatever shape you want, and then you let it cool and it becomes an opaque, pretty inflexible piece of plastic. They're just pellets of plastic. I'm going to stick it in the micro for about 3 minutes. Takes longer than you think. My goodness, this is taking forever. Everybody say hi to Leroy. Almost done. Ta-da! Time for some hot glue. Glue on. Until next time.